nice on the sun. Last night was freezing. And we're at the Mud Club. And then we're going to the Hobart bookstore village. Why do I need this?
This is the entire Odyssey. The entire Odyssey.
Wow.
In Greek.
Which year was that?
It was around 1820, 1830. So that had to be typeset. Had to be typeset by hand. And of course they had to make the letters. It's unbelievable. It's the Pickering. They were
Okay, we passed by, we went into 4 or 5 bookstores. The first one was the best, but this one has the best view. Like a reading nook, you can sit here and like look at the lake. It's so pretty. And get photo bombed, video bombed by your 14-year-old kiddo.
Turn the thing around. You're not turning around mid-video?
No, but here's the lake, the view. It's so pretty. And the lake is frozen. So we'll check one more store and then we're heading back to Woodstock. I'm filming. Okay, so far, which one is your favorite store?
The first one.
Mine too. Daniel, which one's your favorite store so far?
They had a book from 1557. Very impressive.
And which one?
First one first.
And which book impressed you?
That first, the oldest book.
And that tiny one?
The tiny one. That's the one that impressed me. Was Greek. Was it Greek? In Greek, yes.
Yeah.
And the one was $1,000 Greek Latin dictionary.
And the owners impressed me too. He was a doctor, she was a lawyer. They lived in Manhattan and came up here 22 years ago. Very cool.
Was it worth it coming to the book village?
This was a very fun experience, yes.
Yes, I was expecting longer Main Street and a lot more bookstores with coffee shops inside. But the last one had like the best view, and the first one has the best books. It was definitely worth it.
Yeah.
So back to Woodstock, to Manja.
These are 13.
Okay, we just left Woodstock. We came to hiking place. Where are we? I have no idea.
State Park.
Harriman. Okay, I'll get it. Harriman State Park. We're gonna hike for how many miles?
About 3.
3 miles, and then we're heading home. And look at the lake. It's so pretty. It's a 7-lake area, and in Bulgaria also there's area in real mountain called 7 Lakes. I'm already out of breath.
Oh, I heard that. It didn't sound good.